In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to assign labels to tasks in teamwork.com, a feature that helps you stay organized and on top of your projects. Whether you're new to Teamwork or just looking to streamline your task management, this video will give you a clear and actionable understanding of how labels work. Before we dive in, did you know you can use teamwork.com completely free? Just check out the first link in the description below for an exclusive bonus and a trial that extends beyond the usual offer. Now, let's jump in. Assigning labels in teamwork.com is one of the simplest ways to categorize your tasks and make sure everything is easy to find and manage. First, let's talk about why labels are so important. They let you group tasks based on different criteria like priority, department, or status, whether it's urgent, in progress, or waiting for review. This makes sorting and filtering tasks incredibly easy. To assign a label, start by opening your project in Teamwork. Click on the task you want to label. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel with a bunch of options. One of those options will be Labels. You can click here to add a label. If you haven't created any labels yet, you'll need to add some by clicking Add New Label at the bottom of the list. Now you can choose a name for your label, something that represents the task category you're working with. For example, if you're managing a marketing project, you might create labels like Content Creation, Design, or Client Approval. Make sure to keep your labels clear and concise, as they'll help you navigate through tasks efficiently. You can also assign multiple labels to a single task, which is great for those complex projects that need to be categorized in multiple ways. For example, a task might be both urgent and client review. Once you've set your labels, it's time to use them effectively. Teamwork allows you to filter tasks by label. So if you want to see only the tasks labeled urgent, you can easily filter your task list to display just those. This feature can save you tons of time by helping you focus on the tasks that matter most. If you need to remove a label, simply click the X next to it in the tasks label section. That task will no longer be categorized under that label. It's a quick and easy way to stay organized. And here's a pro tip. You can customize label colors to make them stand out. This visual element can help you spot important tasks at a glance. By using labels in Teamwork, you can take your project management to the next level. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, part of a small team, or managing large projects, labeling is a powerful tool to keep everyone on track. To recap, you start by opening the task, clicking on the Labels section, adding or selecting your label, and then using filters to stay organized. It's that simple. Before we wrap up, remember, teamwork.com offers a free version, and the first link in the description gets you an extended free trial, so you can try all these features with no risk involved. Now that you know how to assign labels to tasks in teamwork.com, make sure to use this tool effectively to keep your projects organized and moving forward. Don't forget to check out that exclusive offer in the description below for your extended trial. Happy managing!